Thank you, Ruben. This is Oliver Austria with this week's mortgage update. This week, rates are at about 6.375% on a 30-year fixed-rate home loan. It's been steady for the past couple of weeks, but we could see some changes in the next couple of weeks. We're seeing a big jobs report tomorrow. The Fed funds rate may be changed. There's a lot of speculation that may be dropped by the Fed. And a lot of economic news, so I'll keep you in the loop as to everything that's going on. However, one thing I wanted to talk about today was George Bush. George Bush has a bailout plan for the real estate industry, for the housing economy in general. George Bush laid out a plan last week to bail out a lot of the people that are in pending foreclosure or in danger of foreclosure. This can include your homeowner next door that happened to get into a jam because of an adjustable rate mortgage, somebody that has a subprime loan that they just can't handle anymore, or a real estate investor that just got caught with a change in the market and just can't sell the property to make a profit or to make the mortgage payments anymore. What he's laid out is to expand the powers of the Federal Housing Administration, FHA as we know it. Now, in theory, that's great because it would allow a lot more people to qualify for FHA programs. FHA historically has been more lenient in terms of credit, housing histories, even income, relative to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So if you have a bad credit score, it doesn't necessarily mean you can buy, you have to get a subprime loan. You were able to get an FHA loan in the past. Now what George Bush is trying to do is he wants to expand the powers of the FHA so that it helps a lot of these people that are in danger of foreclosure, or even some of these investors. Investment property is tricky because investment property generally does not qualify under FHA programs. You have to live in the property as your primary residence, but as we know, some of these investors have taken out the loan and said that it was going to be their primary residence, so they may try to do the same thing when trying to refinance into an FHA loan. So the bottom line is, can FHA really save a lot of these homeowners from foreclosure? Well, they can and they can't. They can because obviously if they are a lot more lenient with their credit guidelines, then perhaps some homeowners can be saved by